What's up?
Yeah, good. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now.
Oh, definitely. That's good. It's very
Sorry.
cool. And where do you come from?
Oh, I'm from New Zealand. How about you?
Oh, New Zealand. Very good country. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know
Oh,
Bangladesh?
wicked.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Oh, that's awesome, really. Do
I
you
know
know?
the country. I haven't been there. I've
Uh,
never been there though.
yeah, okay. So, do you like to travel?
Oh man, I haven't travelled much, but I would love to one day.
One day, so make a plan to come over in Bangladesh at your first travel?
Oh yeah. Is it
Really?
a really good destination? Is it?
Definitely, it will be really so a splendid moment. If you come over here, I would like to provide you a free accommodation.
What sort of season's the best to travel?
uh, March or April?
Is that autumn?
Yeah, autumn. Yeah, right.
Oh, nice, nice.
Do you want to come over here?
So not too hot, not too cold. Not too hot, not too cold.
For you know what, our winter season is completely very good weather for yours because you get the snow, so much snow or ice following you get basically, but we don't get it is here in my country. We get minimum 765 degrees Celsius here the temperature. If we get a heavy cold, it's not too much actually for yours. I know the European.
So it doesn't snow.
No, we
It
don't
never
get.
snows.
We didn't get snow, but get so much foggy. But it's not too bad for yours.
Foggy?
Yeah,
Did you say foggy?
yeah, foggy.
Oh, true, true.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. So come over here.
Maybe one day.
Oh, really? How old
I
are you?
have no plans to travel.
Yeah. Okay. So how old are you?
I'm in my 20s. 20s? How about yourself?
Oh, 20s. Okay, I'm 20. I'm 29.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 9 years old.
What? What did you say?
Just making the fun. Okay,
I
I'm
said
just 9 years old.
I'm in my 20s. I'm not 20. I'm older than 20.
Oh, what about you? Sorry.
I'm gonna do some singing. Is that cool with you?
Oh, definitely. Are you a singer?
Yeah.
Okay. So So may I hear your voice?
Yeah, do you have a song that you want me to sing, or should I just choose a random one?
Yeah. Okay. For sure. Go ahead. I wanna to.
Okay.
Okay. For sure.
Um, do you like pop music, rock music, grunge? Any particular?
No, any particular, but you are my one of the best gift. So I would like to hear your voice. What is the best song in your mind?
Oh, that's a really good question.
Why not?
Oh man, I've honestly been singing for like,
Okay.
honestly,
Okay.
since 9:15. So I've been singing for 4 hours straight.
Oh, 4 hours.
That's pretty good effort, eh?
Yeah, for sure. It's really
Yeah.
very good.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Really a singer. You have a beautiful voice.
Oh yeah.
So honey voice.
Thank you.
Really? So
That's lovely.
yeah, really so lovely to hear your
Thank you.
voice. I'm so appreciated that you just let me hear your voice. I didn't know that you are a good singer.
I remember your name. Ghazi, is
Gazi,
it?
Gazi.
Ghazi?
Gazi, yeah.
Ghazi?
Yeah. I'm being fall in love with you.
Shucks.